Hey guys, sorry, I totally forgot to film an intro for this video, so consider this my intro. Okay, let's just go ahead and get into it. My bad. First, I'm going to be taking the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's so glittery. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to be going in with first a very, very, very light wash of the color Twig right here. Before I go in with that pink color called Bloom. So I'm just going to take just a little bit of this. It's very pigmented, so I gotta tap it off. Let me zoom you in. Excuse me. I hit it with that zoom. Yeah, we really friends now. I'm looking at my mirror. Just going to go in with a very light wash of color so that the other colors that I put on top of it blend a little bit better. Just a little. Right in the crease, going out. I put translucent powder right here so it wouldn't get too messy. If you have hooded eyes like I do, I found that if you kind of look down at the mirror, you can create your own little crease right here so it doesn't like disappear. Now I'm going to take that pink Bloom color right here, and I'm gonna go in just a little bit lower than the color Twig. Fingers crossed. See, I have a little fallout here, but that's what that translucent powder is for, because it will just wipe away. The thing you have to be careful about with shadow colors like this is you don't want to make yourself look sick and like you have red eyes. So we'll be toning it down a little bit. This is going on a little, I mean it's pink, but it's leaning a little red too. So. Oh, sorry. Just going windshield wiper motions here. Flicking it out. Trying to make this as simple of an eye look as possible. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Love right here. It's a little bit lighter from the Anastasia Norvina palette. Just a little bit of a lighter pink. Hoping to make this look maybe a little bit more cool toned than it does right now. I'm just going to take that same brush. It's a Morphe 443. It's a good blending brush. Ooh, they're so pigmented. Just a little lower here. I don't think it's changing it too much, but it's okay, we'll keep it going. Pretty. Now for the fun part, I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease taking the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. It's just like this flesh tone color, and I'm going to take it with this flat brush. These always make me so nervous. Okay, just going in on the lid. I'm going to start towards the lash line so I don't mess anything up. Put it all over here. I'm gonna look up and see if as far as it transfers. See that? That's as far as I'm gonna go. Take your time with these because they can get really messed up really fast. I learn from experience, my people. I learn from experience. To the edge over here, I'm just gonna feather it so it doesn't look like a harsh line. Now the hard part is getting it to match on the other eye. Slightly feathering it. I'm not. Next I'm going to take the Stila, what are these? I know they have different ones. Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. It's just this really beautiful pink metallic color. Just this really pretty color. Okay, then you're going to take this and just go over what you just put down to cut the crease. It's a very subtle cut. I got a little carried away on this side, but it's okay. We can clean it up. Just gonna take the product on a flat angled brush. I'm gonna go in and make that line a little sharper and get into the inner corner. I'm sorry I'm not in frame again. Full concentration station right here. I have hooded eyes, so I have to go a little bit above my crease. Okay, then I'm going to take the brush that I used to put the pink on, and I'm going to take the lighter pink from the Norvina palette, which is that Love shade right here. And I'm going to go back in and just feather the edges where the pink and the glitter meet. I got a little carried away, so we'll just fix all that. Go right over it. Okay guys, I know it still looks a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna hop off of here, finish my face makeup, dust away the powder, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on some eyeliner, a little bit of a wing, put on some lashes, still waiting on that glue to dry a little bit. And now let's do the lower lash line. It's gonna go back into that Sultry palette and take that pinky bloom shade that we used. But I'm also going to mix it with the pink shade from the Norvina palette. So this one right here, called Love. So I'm just gonna mix those two together. And just gonna bring it under that lash line. wipe away that fallout. Okay, now I'm going just to take my Maybelline gel liner in black and line the lower waterline and upper waterline just to make everything look cohesive. It'll hide that lash band as well. World's most sensitive waterline. Alright, going with the pink theme for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in rose gold. Pinky vibes. I'm just gonna, just gonna put it all in this area. Hit the top of that cheekbone. Ooh. Get it up here. Hit the top of that brow bone just a little. Cupid's bow. A little bit on the chin. I'm going to switch brushes here. Take my favorite pencil brush. A little ball of the nose there. And then hit that inner corner. But we can't forget lips. Why do I have the urge to do a red lip with it? You know what? It's Valentine's Day. They're on our rules. We're gonna do a red lip. Let's do it. Okay, first I'm gonna line my lips with the Jordana liner in the shade Rock and Rose. It's just kind of a nude liner. I'm nervous. This may look so bad. If we hate this, it's okay. We'll just take it off and put something else on, you know? It's gonna be bright. I'm nervous. What do we think? Do we like the red with the pink? I do. I kind of really do. Obviously, you guys can do any lip you want. This will be beautiful with a nude, with a light pink, whatever you want. I just thought it would be fun to try something different with a red lip and a pink eye to really represent Valentine's Day, even though I will be doing nothing on Valentine's Day. I will be hanging out with my cats. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what color makeup look I should do next. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. There's a button that you should be hitting. It says subscribe, thumbs up, comment, you know the drill. Until next time, you guys, see you later.